YouTube. This your boy Aristotle, and welcome to our new show, Stock Sundays, where we uncover a recap of last week's movers and a forward outlook to what we should be looking for next week. So let's start with a recap of last week. Top 5 notable news you may have missed. NVIDIA streaming software now has the option to use AI to make it look like you're making eye contact with the camera even when you're looking away. Number 2, CPI, Consumer Price Index for December, came in at 6.5%, marking the lowest since October 2021. Number 3, FTX Arena in Miami officially is no more. Miami-Dade County and the Miami Heat receive approval from the federal bankruptcy judge to terminate their naming rights contract with FTX. Number 4, Tesla is near the deal to set up factories in Indonesia. This plant targets to put out 1 million Tesla cars a year. Number 5, Microsoft. Microsoft is in talks to invest $10 billion into OpenAI Semaphore. It would be a deal where Microsoft Infusion would be a part of the complicated deal in which the company would get 75% of OpenAI profits until it recoups its investments, and then some bonus coin. Coinbase plans to fire 20% of its workforce. Now let's get into the data. Top 5 notable movers of large cap stocks. 10 billion plus market caps are the large cap stocks. So let's get into it. Number 1, United Airlines is up 21% this week. Coinbase up 47%. Zillow is up 16%. Number 4, Chewy is up 15%. And number 5, MongoDB is up 13%. In the top 5 notable losers are Warner Music Group down 14%. Number 2, Northrop Grumman down 10%. AbbVie down 7%. Dollar General down 6%, and Pfizer down 5%. Now let's get into some key data points. The major U.S. stock index has improved 2 weeks in a row, with the NASDAQ adding around 4.8%, the S&P 500 2.7%, and the Dow at 2%. The latest results mark a reversal from the end of 2022 when the S&P 500 finished down for 3 weeks in a row. Now, Bitcoin as well had a nice rebound week. The price of Bitcoin, the most widely traded cryptocurrency, surged 15% around 19,500, the highest level in more than 2 months, but is well below Bitcoin's 2022 peak of more than 47,000 in late March. This video is sponsored by Honey Drip Network. Honey Drip Network is an option trading and sports betting community that is also growing in numerous things that we'll be teaching our community. We have free options in sports betting watch lists, free webinars, free videos, and free trading bots. Link in the description if you're interested in joining this free community so we can show you how to get this money for free. Let's get it. Now here's some notable data for the week ahead. January 16th, Monday, Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Okay, so we're going to be closed. The financial markets and the stock market are going to be closed. Tuesday, no major report schedule at all. So we're going to have a clean day of trading on Tuesday. Wednesday, retail sales. Okay, so you need to look forward to that. Retail sales, business inventory, producer price index, U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, industrial production and capacity utilization. Friday, we have existing home sales. Now let's get into some earnings. The most anticipated earnings for the week are Morgan Stanley Tuesday before open, Goldman Sachs Tuesday before open, United Airlines Tuesday after close, Netflix Thursday after close, and Procter & Gamble Thursday after close. Now, my recommendation for earnings, option traders, don't play them at all and wait for setups intraday. If you do play them, be sure you use the straddle method, buying a call and a put with hopes of one of them gaining 200% plus and the other losing 100%. Now the moment you've been waiting for, my watch list. So the first things first, we're going to take a look at SPY, and as you can see, we have lots of touches of resistance. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6th touch of resistance. So let me take off my pivot points. So as you can see, this is our 6th touch of resistance right here. So be on the lookout, because we had a false breakout last week when we had nice data. So be on the lookout. If this thing breaks, then of course we're on our way to a bull run. But, you know, more than likely it will not, if I'm being honest with you guys. So we draw a trend line, another trend line here. We could possibly make another leg down here. So if I was to draw an arrow real quick, we possibly make another leg down here. Right? So that's my prediction is, you know, we could reject here. So yeah, I'm watching that for SPY. Another one I was looking at was Apple. So Apple, and as you can see, we have what? A rejection period right here. So I believe we could reject this line right here, because look, this is the support. This used to be support, then it, you know, tested support, fell after it broke down, and then now it's retesting support while SPY. So this is now resistance now. So support turn resistance. So now SPY is at this level right here. If we go up a few, so SPY is at resistance and Apple is at resistance, as you can see. Let's take a look at what looks bullish. Amazon broke out of this wedge here, so that's good news. It looks very bullish. Could it pull back? Maybe it could pull back to the 8 possibly. So we're going to see with Amazon. Now, could it keep going? Of course, but like I said, we have this to worry about. SPY resistance. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla is making I guess you can say a higher low, but could it come back down? Yes, it could. Still has really not broken the 8 EMA yet, so watching for that. Apple looks like it could reject. Meta found resistance here, which used to be a resistance point right here dating back to October. So, you know, things could reject from here. Meta looks like it came to a halt here. What's this? This could be a head and shoulders on Microsoft. Looks like a head and shoulders here. Could it be? Could it be? This looks like a head and shoulders pattern on Microsoft. We're going to see. That could be a huge bearish sign if we're getting another leg down. So be on the lookout for that. Let me show you what a head and shoulders pattern is. So this is a head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So I'm watching for that. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So definitely watching Microsoft for this head and shoulders pattern. All right. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube, like, share, and comment. Share it with all your friends. It would really help. I'm trying to build this YouTube channel so I can financially educate you guys every Sunday and give you guys the top stocks that I'm watching. It's your boy Aristotle. Have a good day. Have a good night. Enjoy MLK Day off. Have a good weekend.